Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial for Autodesk Navisworks Freedom. Navisworks Freedom is a free viewer that you can download from the Autodesk website. If you just Google Autodesk Navisworks Freedom download, it should be the first link. This model was also downloaded from Autodesk website. It was made by Mullin. We're going to use it real quick just to illustrate some of the basic features that you'll use to navigate a model in Navisworks Freedom. So let's start with this navigation toolbar here. You have your pointer that allow you to click different geometries. You have your feet, which is my personal favorite. You move forward with the left click button, and then you can pan around with the scroll button. Then you have this look around, which will let you look around from your point of view. Then you also have this orbit, which will allow you to orbit, and it orbits from whatever you're clicking. Say I'm clicking this wall here. You can orbit from that wall. Then you have this little selection box, and you can just choose an area that you want to zero in on. Then you have this hand that lets you pan around. You can also zoom out with the scroll button. There's this little wheel here, which kind of is all in one, depending on where you click on it. It's a little glitchy for my taste, but it's there if you like it. Okay, so when you click an item, you can hide it. You can hide unselected. You can require it, which will lock it. You can also require all if you need to. You can do select all. You can also, if you have a specific type of material, you can select a piece of that and go same material, and it'll select all the materials in the model that share the type. There's also this selection tree here. It'll show you all the different elements inside the model. Say you just want to select one thing in the model. Let's go to sinks. If I just want to select all the sinks, hide unselected, there's all the sinks in my building there. Unhide all. When you have something selected, such as the sinks there, you can click properties here and it'll tell you a little bit more about it. There's also this timeliner playback, which is essentially like a 5D type thing. I might go through that another time. Here is some links, and so that'll be all your links. So you have viewpoints, and you can also get to your viewpoints through this window here. Whatever folders you have, you can go to whatever viewpoints that you have in that area as well. This camera you're probably not going to use too much. There's a tilt bar here that'll allow you to change your angle of view. You can align the camera to different planes. There's also the navigation area here. It's the same as this guide here. There's some realism. You can play around with the lighting, wireframe, hidden line. There's a couple different options there. There's also this sectioning tool, which is pretty useful. Allows you to cut up the building so you can see different areas of it. You can move it down. You have to rotate it to make like a cut. See it on a different axis. You can do that as well. You can turn it however you like. You can also select the surface you want it to go to. That's usually pretty useful. There's all kinds of different options here. You can play around with that. You can also measure in two areas. What's nice is you don't have to be perfect with it. If you just pick two walls, it'll measure directly across in the X, Y, and Z coordinate. Let's see, you go over here when you have your section tool on, this tab will pop up. You can click your section tools, and when you click an item, this item tool will pop up, and you can hide it or require it or do whatever you need there to adjust it. For the rest of them, the animation and the view will go through another time, and for the output, it's just printing. So that should get you started. Hope it helped. See you next time.
If you found this video useful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to learn more about VDC and BIM, then click that subscribe button and notification bell. Thanks for watching.